Bison Wallet is a self-custodial, privacy-focused multi-wallet with a built-in atomic swap exchange. There is no KYC, no trading fees, and no intermediary token. In this tutorial, we'll go over how to set up Bison Wallet and execute an atomic swap. To begin, download Bison Wallet by visiting bisonwallet.org. Select the correct installer for your operating system. If you'd prefer to run Bison Wallet in your web browser, then you should download and run the .exe file instead. Run the installer. Look for Bison Wallet in your Start menu and run the program. When it launches, you'll be prompted to set a password. In the quick configuration, choose which native wallets you would like to activate. Click Backup Now and carefully write down your seed phrase. The seed can be used to restore your wallets and funds. Next, wait for your wallets to sync to 100%. Bitcoin, Decred, and Litecoin all use privacy-preserving SPV Lite wallets, which are quick to sync and do not compromise wallet security. Once your wallets are synced, you can receive and send funds like normal. Next, click on Trade in the upper right. Here you will have your trading interface and order books. You will need to create an account to trade on Bison Wallet. Click Create Account. You will need to pay a small bond fee in Decred or Litecoin. A fidelity bond is a small amount of funds temporarily locked in an on-chain contract. After the contract expires, your wallet will reclaim the funds. On mainnet, funds are locked for 2 months. The purpose of the bond is to discourage traders from engaging in disruptive behavior, such as backing out of swaps. If you fail to complete a swap, your trading reputation will decrease. Complete trades as normal to increase your reputation and increase your trading limits. If someone has created a prepaid bond for you, you can enter the code here. If you don't have a prepaid code, select your bond asset. Start with trading tier 1. You can choose to start at a higher tier with higher trading limits and pay more into your bond if you prefer. Fund the bond with the requested amount of Decred to the provided deposit address. Click Submit. And now we will need to wait for one confirmation on-chain for the account to be created. While that is confirming, we'll create our stablecoin wallets on Polygon. Go back to the Wallet tab, choose the Tether wallet with the Polygon symbol, which is purple. Click Create Wallet. Polygon is what fuels the transactions on the Polygon network, so you will need a small amount. Click on your Polygon wallet. Click Receive, and then deposit some Polygon into your wallet. Now go back to the trading screen. Click Approve USDT Polygon in the upper right. Click to approve the swap contract using a small amount of Polygon. Our Tether wallet is now ready. Going back to our wallet, I've filled it with a bunch of different coins, including some Tether. Now we are ready to conduct a trade and buy Decred via Atomic Swap. Click on the Decred/USDT pair. Make sure Buy Decred is selected. Then manually enter in your trading price. Or click on a bid on the order book. Enter in how much you'd like to buy. Click Place Order to buy DCR. On this page, you confirm all of the details of the trade, including the trading fees you may incur. Click Buy DCR. The order will enter into an epoch for a moment, and then it should match your order with the bid on the order book. Then the status should change to Settling, which means the atomic swap is now in progress. If you choose to be a maker instead of a taker, your order will remain on the order book. Now if you look at the lower right-hand side, you should see your orders. Select the order, and click to expand the order to show all of the order's details. Trades are settled with pure 4 transaction atomic swaps and nothing else. You must wait for the 4 transactions on-chain to be confirmed before your funds are redeemed. Thus, you do incur on-chain fees when trading on Bison Wallet. Here we can see the fees paid. The fee costs are nearly zero. Keep in mind that while a trade is settling, the client has to stay connected for the full duration of trade settlement. Losses of connectivity of a couple minutes are fine, but don't push it. A loss of internet connectivity for more than 20 hours during trade settlement has the potential to result in lost funds. Simply losing your connection to the DEX server does not put funds at risk. you would have to lose connection to an entire blockchain network. And once the trade has completed, we can take a look at our wallet and see that the funds have arrived. We can even look at the transaction on the Block Explorer. Bison Wallet also has coin mixing and staking built in for Decred. To send our coins through Decred's mixnet, all we need to do is toggle privacy on. When this happens, your coins will be locked until they are mixed. And once they are mixed, they will be unlocked. You can also stop the mixer at any time to unlock the unmixed funds. And if you have enough funds, you can stake your Decred, which enables you to earn block rewards when your Decred staking ticket is called to vote, and enables you direct voting rights on the Decred network. Bison Wallet also has built-in market maker and arbitrage bots. You can potentially earn a profit by providing liquidity to the Bison Wallet exchange. We will release a tutorial dedicated to this feature soon. It should be noted the market maker is intuitive with an easy-to-use GUI and is designed for novice users who are new to market making. Bison Wallet is completely open source and is funded and maintained by the Decred DAO. There is ongoing work to add Monero, add a new enhanced privacy atomic swap protocol, integrate a mesh network, add more exchanges to arbitrage with, and much, much more due to the self-funding Decred treasury. Bison Wallet should be getting its own website soon. Check for updates by following Bison Wallet on Twitter. You can also join the Bison Wallet Telegram and Discord servers to keep in touch with the community.